Hello, my friends. I am here today, and we're just going to talk about some basics, some real basic things. So I have no makeup on. I do have my skincare. I wanted to show you that this, which is a sunspot, and a couple other ones that I have, I take care of those using our clinical solutions, and it's the Ferulic Niacinamide Brightener. And what that does is when you put a drop or two of it on here and you just let it dry, it will start lightening it. I use this in the morning and at night. I have not been using it for the last few weeks. I'm not really sure. I had it in a different room and I noticed that I was like, where is my brightener? But I just wanted to give you a few of those tips. So let's talk about a few items, and one of them will help with discoloration or dark spots, and that is our clinical solution Ferulic and Niacinamide Brightener. And it comes with a little dropper, and I just use 1 drop per side, rub it in really well, and then just let it dry. Now that item specifically will help with dark areas, whether they're sunspots. You could use it on your hand. The other item is our clinical solution Retinol 0.5. Now this is a very strong retinol. You'll find retinol in a lot of our products, specifically our repair line and our night creams that has retinol in it. There's a few other items that has retinol in it, but those are more specific and they're a lot less as far as the strength. So you use them more often over a period of time, and then the results there. The Clinical Solutions Retinol 0.5 is something that you want to acclimate your skin to over a period of like 2 weeks. You'll use it once or twice a week according to how they suggest it. And then as you get your skin used to it, then you can use it on a regular basis, or as I do it every three times a week. So if that's something that interests you, our retinol, Clinical Solutions Retinol, please comment below and I will give you more information on it. Our retinol, the ingredients are very specific to our line. So when I use it, I put it on, I use it at night. So those are a couple of specialty products that I wanted to talk to you today. Now, I did my mask yesterday, my Volume Firm Lifting Serum Mask, and I noticed a lot of my lines that I have on my forehead. I've been outside in the last few days, not been, protecting my skin with a lot of hydration. And our weather's going up and down, cold and hot, can't make up its mind. But spring is coming and it'll be here soon.